Hello guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, let's roll that over again. Let's just start that over again. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another exciting video. So today I bring you a tutorial. You know how sometimes we have protective styles, whether it's box braids, whether it's twists, whether it's short twists, long twists. Sometimes we get bored of the hairstyles. I know that I do. So I found basically 6 different ways of how you can style your protective style, your braids or your twists, so that you can, you know, look cute and zhuzh it up and bring some style to it. Maybe like during the week or whatever, when you go back to work or when you go back to school, because well, we are in self-isolation right now. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are at least trying to find ways where you can entertain yourself or just basically do something productive, because I know I have. I've been trying, although sometimes I do get lazy days where I just like relax and I just Netflix and chill all day. Once again, my 2-year-old is, if you guys hear her, please don't mind. Please don't mind her. She's on the other side. So yeah, so basically today I'm just going to show you guys how to style your hair in 6 different ways with 6 different quick hairstyles that you can do, and you know, and zhuzh up your style, you know. So I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also please ring the bell whenever I post videos so that you guys can get notifications. But anyway, so let's get this started with style number 1. guys, so there you have it. 6 quick different hairstyles that you can try out at home, you know, just to zhuzh up your look on some days where you're feeling like looking cute and looking pretty, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a massive thumbs up and comment down below and tell me what you think of it. And if you have any suggestions of other videos that you would like me to cover, please do let your girl know, okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys, please. Please. Okay, I'm joking. I'm kidding, but guys, please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you guys thought of these hairstyles, and I'll check you guys on my next video. Mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah.